Say Raft Trip 2009.
Look, Sid.
Extreme close-up. Yes, it's on.
Guys, do something goofy.
It's so shallow, but they would wade out into the middle of the river to collect all those goats, so pretty easily done. Good. You see a lot of fly fishermen today.
Oh, we're getting that way.
Fly fish?
Fly fishermen.
Yeah, we're gonna go fly.
Or as the Japanese call it, fry fishing. So let's go forward one time. Yeah. Forward one time. Forward one time. There we go. Forward one time. Forward one time. Forward one. Forward one time. Forward one. Forward one time. Yeah, I'd imagine. Let's go forward one time. Woo! Big old rock. Yeah, it was hailing on from the river yesterday.
Yeah, so you were down here.
You know, weather here is just so unpredictable, so funky. We came here yesterday morning, it was like 80 degrees and sunny, and then by the afternoon, I had a full day trip yesterday, by the afternoon we were getting rained on and hail on, and lightning and thunder. Then as soon as we got back to Montana Whitewater,
Yeah.
alright, let's go forward one time.
Yeah, baby!
Go forward one time. Go forward one time. Alright. Go forward one time. Forward one time.